welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, as you know, Dwayne and Lorraine, they're going back and forth with each other as there is a problem between them. Now, I would not say that this is a saga because Dwayne's intention is not to go back and forth with Lorraine. He's just addressing something that's been going on. Well, there was a post with a gorilla, and basically, he's thinking that that would have been something that she posted for him, but he's saying that that could not be him. He's saying that she should compare her picture to that gorilla, and that's what Dwayne is saying. He's saying that he does not look like a gorilla. He has his appearance, basically, he's really looking good. And so you have to go and catch what Dwayne has to say as he's addressing Lorraine in this way. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, you know what to do, right? Have yourselves a beautiful day.
Me sit on the phone, Lord Jesus. Imagine me sit on the phone, Dave Real, sit on the damn phone. Imagine. Me is original, right this girl, right this to you. Period. Right this so. Yeah. Guys, as soon as you join the live stream, please share it out. Right? Because we have some things to go into about Madame Crackretite, Madame Planet of the Apes, mother, the mother of all the apes, right? Because when I look now, I can't say it. Yep. That part. When I ask him, I tell her, you see, you look at me, you don't see no ape. You don't see no ape look like. You see a human being. Yes, I'm a little bit chubby. Yes, I'm a little bit on the big side. But darling, I'm killed. I'm fucking killed. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. That part, sugar and spice. That part. Period. No girl, no boy can see me look at my ear. The most I get to me, oh, your teeth them brown. Okay, that is easily rectified. But Madame of all the apes, mother of all the apes, this can't rectify. Put your picture next to an ape. Or put your picture next to one of those creatures from Planet of the Apes. And tell me, girl, tell me if you are not that doppelganger. If you know what a doppelganger is, look at yourself and look at that ape. My God. How it go, girl? How it go? Tag her, girl. Tag Shar. Tag Shar. I'ma call her. What are you talking about? I'ma call her. Let's go dash out the damn group. What are you talking about? I just remembered. What the hell? Hold on a jiffy. Girls, on a come. We're gonna go on some big chattings on a come. Topic of conversation, doctor. The people them say the man over there, so knows man. Them talk some things about him dancing on come, and also the mother of all the apes. We're gonna talk about the mother of all the apes too. So rock and come, make haste, and don't say, ewa, don't me spit a ground. Don't make me spit a ground and it dry on the don't reach. For the don't reach, me I got black on me. I got black out on the backside. Anyways, bye bye, my love in your ear. Mwah. Oh Lord, what is this? How are they saying coming here? I'll sit that. I'll sit that. It's me have some police. My police, they don't play. They don't play to get me the tea. I swear. Hey, I swear, I build a good looking team over here, so will get me the tea all over. So them walk out, them walk them. I thought I was walk bout. But them walk about more than me. Mr. Jesus Christ. All them something I go on, man. You know what I say? My purpose, them bad like a yours, them bad bitches. Bad motherfuckers. Man, I ask them to tell on the throat. Yeah, them bad. The time of day I chat, let me share the live on my other page. Let me share the live on my other page. What am I gonna say? Papa Jesus. That is it. Papa Jesus. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Papa. Come now. Jesus. Area. No, sir. That's it. All right. We have that. We got it on page 2. And let's get into page 2 too. You know, someone said to me on one of my lives, Dwayne, you should be doing comedy, whatever. Girl, my God, my funny. Yes, I know I can be funny at times, but girl, I'm focused on my mix-up. I love mix-up. I love people. I love chat people. Understand? I love chat people. If you did have something that is worth chatting about, me I got chat you, girl. Me tell you the truth, me I got chat you. I would, girl. I tell you the truth. No hard feelings, okay? No hard feelings. Dwayne, please don't be confused. Crackretide posted that photo of herself. You are a human. Period, girl. Period. Girl, talk to... Girl, don't jam a long tongue, but you're right this song. She bex. Them bex. Them think I'm gonna come on my page, come act like a mascot. No, darling. Listen, yesterday was the last time I was gonna respond to you, girl. I'm telling you the truth. Yesterday was the last I was gonna respond to you. You know why? Because you're a demon. That part, I would have done for you. Let's get into some mix-up. So, make we start with the nose man. You know, say I should change. Let me change the caption. I'm gonna change the caption because I feel it's the right thing to do. It's the right. I'm gonna change the caption. Let me take out the doctor. If you change it, girls, I wanna call the shots. Should I change the caption and put the right name? Cause let's do him tell me, say, him call me the after one over there, so. Him call me the after one over there, so. Which means he's wishing bad for me. So why can I not give him like a little jab? Okay, I'm gonna listen to you, Sugar and Spice. I'm gonna change it. Just because you said I will change it. Yeah, let's change it. It is changed. I'm serious. Don't even address. Girl, right, it's a girl. Me not look on her. So make go into some mix-up. You know what I say? Before we go any further. Remember I did tell you people a long time ago, right? You see me? I feel like I am authentic, and what you see is what you get. If it's up to you whether you like me or you don't. You're not cripple. No boy, why you love problems, so stop. No man, me nah stop. I love Mixup. I'm not the only who's done Mixup. John, with your fake page, A lot of people do mix up. Go and tell them to stop. When they stop, I will stop too. Do you understand, John? With that being said, have yourself a jolly good old afternoon, evening, or night. I don't care. Big up to you, John, and jog on. Jog on. Me no say you that. Big nose man, big nose man, big nose. Big nose man, me no say you that. But darling, do you. My God. At least, listen, you can call me fish or whatever. Anything you want to call me. My mommy, my mother, my papa, my papa, my mama love me unconditionally. You understand? Oh, and not to mention, the people them pitney, the adult pitney, them love me too. Not cripple or not, them love me. Oh my God. I can show you some things now, John, our nose man. I can show you some things now. You be like, Bumbleclot. How it go? How it blood clot go? Anyways, girls, enough of me. Let's get into some mix-up. So, a little birdie pinched me said, Dwayne, have you heard this? Mr. Howard Gwan, girl. The Norseman, people of influence who's up in position, on ear it for yourself. Ear it fit on yourself. Stop, man, you're only on one side. Okay, darling, anything else you want to tell me? You know what, let me block you. Let me just block you. I don't want no distraction. You're a distraction. You're a damn distraction. Now get off, darling, get off. And jogging, go and build another page and come back. I mean, no, you have to come back. Me I ask you, me I tell her, I am your damn medicine. Me I ask you, me I tell her that, John. Now jog on, John. Jog on. Jog the fuck on. Anyways, girls, let's go back to our conversation. So, well, look, where the people doing, you this was I went guan, girl. Yeah, I'm gone, girl, I'm gone. When I look at him, I love to, listen, see me, I love to block. I love to block, especially when they come at me sideways. I don't appreciate that shit. 'Cause let's be real, I'm not on my page going at anyone sideways. I'm giving you gossip that's happening around the metaverse or around social media per se, right? I'm not doing nothing wrong. Am I, tell me the truth, am I doing something wrong? Isn't the midget and other people out here doing gossip? John, why are you not going over their page and say, yo, stop? John, go and suck a cock. Go and suck a big cock if you can find one and choke on it too. That part. Anyways, we're done after Jan. We're done after Jan. So, me chat too much. Me could go to the mix-up. Me could go to the damn mix-up. Cause mix-up, me come up with mix-up done. I got my damn business. Listen, I just put out and go about my business. And I only for hear the things them and talk to mind them. And then we just go about my business. That's it. That's all we're going to do. Chat and go about my business. That's it. So let's get into it right now. So, what is here? What is this, Lord? Guys, like and share the video. Thank you so much. Let's get in the gossip. Let's get in the gossip now. Let's start with the nose man. We're going to start with the nose man. On the ear this, on the ear this. Anyone else that is being spoken about in the conversation, we don't want to hear it. We don't want to hear it. We're just focusing on what is being said about the nose man. On the ear, my girls, we are only focusing on what we're hearing about the nose man and no other party. You understand? No other party. All right. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Kylie, bye-bye. On the ear, on the ear, on the ear. Good night, sir. Good night. Good night. I'm going into it now. Wait. Let's put our crap this. Let's go forward a little bit.
People.
Let's go and sit down.
When you know, sir.
Go that now.
When you know, sir, he's a madman, right?
Never go that now. I'm telling you. When I hear something that's a Ross.
When you know, sir, my brain not too stable, right? When you know, sir.
Wow. Talk.
I have zero tolerance to certain things, right?
Talk, sir. Talk.
So when they have to do a review, I mean, no, I saw some shrimp and noodle, me.
Never going that now. Never going that now. Wait. Hey, Winsome girl, big up yourself. I love you, Winsome.
Certain things get me mad easy, right? May I do a review show today right now? What am I do from my day?
On my phone, charge.
But I want to understand or something upset me.
I was charging.
What do you look up blind youth name?
Never going that.
The blind youth where we are run with from my day. What name?
We're not focusing on that part. We're not worrying about the part there. We're focusing on the rest of the part. The other part we're focus
What
on.
do you call him? Nige or Niggy? What name? Niggy or Nige boy? Nige boy or Iggy?
Focus on the other part.
Yo, the way my head mad right now.
Focus on the other part.
The way my head chip out.
Nothing about that boy. Okay?
What do you say?
Nothing about that boy.
Ninja? I'm mute that TV, girl.
Am I going right now?
Hear me and say people. Nige boy. Alright.
I love you too, Winsome girl.
You know say. Since me you know my person say, yeah, Russian not calling her. What do you want me to watch you look a blind youth video? I say, hey, Russian, you need to authorize this and and me love out the song from early. So
listen, girl, listen. Let's listen to the chorus. I will talk with stuff.
The blind youth song take off now. Somebody DM me. Because them not know nobody else connected to him, right?
How we going?
And said to me, say, them want do some work with him. So them want vice a collaboration with him. And I don't remember what else them want do.
How we going?
So I go to Sabah and I say, alright.